The Benro Blackbird Kits are premium travel tripods in sleek black with some standout features. They have all the features you expect from one of our Cyanbird tripods, like super secure flip locks, non-slip rubber feet, accessory mounts, and a premium carry case. You know the drill. There are two kits. One has our N00P head for stripped down intuitive camera support. It's an Arca-compatible single action ball head with top plate panning. And the other is the Pro version with our G36PT Inverted Ball Head that also has top panning, but the ball lock has a pull and twist tension adjuster to fine-tune the ball lock for your specific camera. Both come with this special Arca plate that also turns into a phone holder for when you need to create some mobile content on the go. The Pro kit also has a carbon fiber center column, making it extra light. And it splits for extra low angles. These kits are perfect for the traveling photographer who's always shooting with their phone as well as their camera.